Good morning. My name is Siddharth Doshi. So, speaking about my favorite, uh, there are a lot of things that are considered to be my favorite, but as there are sports, musical instruments, listening to music, and other things also. But today I am going to talk about a very famous novel which we have studied in our earlier classes also, and that novel title is The Story of My Life by Helen Keller. Uh, in this novel, Helen Keller, the girl, is deaf and blind from childhood, but due to her continuous hardships in her life, she became a famous literature and a poetess. This novel basically summarizes the life of a girl named Helen Keller, about her struggles and to have a faith and to be strong to face the situations of life. Today, I am giving you a short summary about this novel, and it starts as Helen Keller's family appoint a personal teacher for her so that she can learn the words, its meanings, and its statements. And the teacher teaches Helen by touch, feeling, or other senses so that she can understand the words with its meaning. Going through the continuous usage of this practice, Helen has able to learn many words and their meanings, but now she has to learn higher, so she has been sent to an institute in Washington where her teacher is named is Martha. She had gone through many tough situations, like uh, she had wrote a book which has been published in the newspaper, but the principal of that institute has filed a court case against her because of copyright of that book, as the principal thought she had copied that book. But the principal himself find that later on she is innocent, so the court case has been withdrawn and the Helen proved innocent. Later on, she had become famous for that book, and now she also had become favorite for the principal. And due to spent of many years in that institution, she had completed his education, and after that she writes some novels also, and also won some awards for women. And after that she also became a famous literature and a poetess. Some of the books written by Helen Keller are The Story of My Life, Optimism, Light in My Darkness, The World Where I Live In, and many more. And she also won a very famous award in France, which is considered to be the very most honorable award, that is Presidential Medal of Freedom. And at last, she also met the President of France and also get greetings from him due to his struggles, books written by her, and also won the awards.